Ever feel like your home's online presence is stuck in the past, showing outdated or unflattering photos? Today, we're tackling how to remove those unwanted images from your Zillow listing, step by step. To protect your privacy and ensure accuracy, first, head to Zillow.com. Next, type your home address into the search bar. Make sure you use your current address, not where you used to live. Once you've found your property, scroll down to the Facts and Features section. Below that, you should see the Photo section and all the photos associated with your property. Scroll all the way down and look for the Claim This Home button. Click on it. This will likely require you to create a Zillow account or sign in if you already have one. After claiming your home, you will be redirected to your property dashboard. This is where you have control to edit property details. Look for a tab or link labeled Photos or Manage Photos. Select this option here. You may be able to directly remove or edit existing photos, or it may provide contact information for Zillow support to request photo removal. If you need to contact Zillow support, be clear and concise in your request. State the specific photos you want removed and why, such as they are outdated, inaccurate, or violate your privacy, and that's it. Keep in mind that Zillow's policies may change, so always refer to their latest guidelines. Now you can ensure your home's online image accurately reflects its current state. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more homeownership tips.